First of all, take a look at this clip.
Choo-choo, clap your hands. Choo-choo, fruit train lands. Jump up, touch the sky. Fruit train rolling by.
These simple kids' videos are getting millions of views every single day. Most people think creating animated nursery rhyme videos requires a huge team, expensive software, and months of work. But that's no longer true. Today, AI can help you generate video ideas, write catchy songs, create music, generate animations, and edit everything together in just a few hours. Some kids' channels are getting massive view counts because children love watching the same songs over and over again. More replays means more watch time. More watch time means more views, and more views can mean more revenue. So in this video, I'll show you my complete AI workflow for creating nursery rhyme videos from scratch. Let's get started. Step 1. Find a viral idea. Open ChatGPT and type "Generate 10 viral nursery rhyme video ideas for kids aged 2 to 6. Each idea should feature a funny, simple problem, a cute main character, strong curiosity, bright animation potential, and a happy ending. Format: title, character, problem, funny twist. Random songs don't work. You need ideas that grab kids in 2 seconds flat, like "My shoes ran away," "The dancing banana," "My teddy bear went missing." See the pattern? Simple, funny, and they make a kid ask, "Wait, what happens next?" That question is everything. If a kid wants to know what happens next, they're not skipping your video. So don't stop at one idea. Generate 10 to 20, then pick the one you can already picture as a video. Something visual, something fun. For this example, we're using fruit trains. Step 2. Generate the script. Take your idea and drop it into your nursery rhyme script prompt. But here's the thing, you're not writing a song, you're engineering replays. A good nursery rhyme needs a strong opening hook, a catchy chorus, simple words, fun actions, and a satisfying ending. The script should also include repetition, because repetition helps children remember and sing along. Most importantly, include a loop ending. That means the ending connects back to the beginning so the video feels natural when replayed. Once the script is generated, read through it and make any small improvements if needed. Step 3. Create the music. Now it's time to turn our lyrics into a real nursery rhyme song. Open Google and search for Google Music AI. You'll see a few different models to choose from. I'm using the 8-bit model for this one, but play around. Find a sound that fits your style. Now copy your full nursery rhyme script and paste it into the lyrics box. For the music style, keep it simple. Hit run. In a few seconds, the AI hands you a complete song. Vocals, melody, background music, all done. When you're happy with the result, click download and save the audio file to your computer. And just like that, you now have a fully produced nursery rhyme song ready for animation. Step 4. Create a visual prompts. Next, we need consistent visuals. Go back to ChatGPT and type "Generate detailed visual prompt for this content per scene." Will 8 seconds and video duration is 2.34 minutes. Consistency is extremely important. You want the same character appearing throughout the entire video. For example, cute toddler, colorful clothing, bright cartoon world, 3D animated style, soft lighting. This style guide will help every scene look like part of the same video. Step 5. Create the animation. Now let's bring it to life. Open Google Flow. You'll get 1,000 free credits just for signing up. Create a new project and paste in your Scene 1 prompt. Click Video. Once that's done, you'll see an Extend option. Use it, paste in Scene 2, and Flow keeps everything looking consistent. Same characters, same style, no weird jumps between scenes. Keep going like this, scene by scene, until your whole video is built. Now open your video editor. Create a new project, import your song first, then add all generated video clips. Arrange the clips according to the lyrics. Make sure important actions happen exactly when they're mentioned in the song. Watch the full video from beginning to end and adjust timing wherever needed. And that's the whole process. Find a viral idea, generate the script, create the music, generate the scenes, Edit it together. Make a thumbnail that stops the scroll. Add a loop ending so kids hit replay. No animation team. If this helped, subscribe. I'm dropping more AI workflows like this soon. Now, go build something amazing.